Alright, well, we got them all cut out. Man, I haven't cut so much since art class, you know? But it's alright. Alright, so let's put that aside over here. Now we get to the good part, you know? This little thing right here. So, you know, I'm going to give you like, you know, a 101 class here on what you got to do. Each machine, I guess, is going to be different. Oh, by the way, you know, I told you I paid like 50 bucks for this thing. But there's cheaper machines that you can get like 10, 15, 20 bucks, you know, that are not as fancy as this little doodad here. But I wanted to get something, you know, Singer, so you know it's got to be good, right? So, anyways. So you gotta like basically you got the thread there, right, on this little bobbin, I think they call it, and then you just gotta thread it through, you know, thread it through and thread it and thread it and thread it, and this part goes to the needle, right, and then you got down here you got another one. And that one, you just gotta like, it's gonna be real hard to see that, but there's a little hole that comes up through down here, right? And you just gotta have that come out of that little hole. And you see there's like two little strings here. One of them is threaded through the needle, and the other one is threaded or going up from the bottom of the machine up. And then so what you want to do, what I do is I hold these two little pieces of thread there like that. I don't know if you can see, two little pieces of thread, just hold them there with my finger, and then this is the little part here. You just gotta like make it go in and out. The little needle is gonna go down, and then it's gonna loop around in there, and then you're gonna be ready to go. And you really can't see that, you know. You might have to watch another video, but man, I tell you what, man, it's real simple, you know. Took me all of like maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes to figure it out. You know, I didn't have to watch a video or nothing like that, man. I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna figure it out, and you know, I figured it out. So that's basically what you want to do. You want to have that there like that. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to start stitching these. And what you want to do with this is you want to fold them, right? So we're going to start off with the middle one. You want to fold it, and you're basically going to stitch right on the outside of these little lines that you marked out. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that right quick. Alright, and see, I'm going to pull the needle up so you can slide this out, and then I don't know if you can see that, but you got the little string there that's attached, so you want to snip it right there, and snip this little piece right here, and it's going to do that. And what that's going to do is it's going to help this cloth get its shape. So, and we're just going to go ahead and do it to these here too. Now every time you cut this string, you're gonna have to basically redo it, right? Let's see here. So you want to pull those strings out like so, right? Hold it down, and then push the needle down in so it loops, and you're gonna know that it's ready to go because that little string is coming up from there. So you got these two little strings that you're holding over here, and you got another little string in there. All right. And then basically you're going to fold this in half as well, or fold it like this, and get the sewing. All right, put that down. Get up in there, and there we go. All right, that needle up. I don't know if you can see, but I'm trying my best here. Snip right there. Right, snip right there, and then when you flip it over, you see how it's getting that nice little oval little shape there already. See that? So you're just gonna go ahead and do that to all of them there, right? And we'll be back. Luke, I am your father. Yeah. All right. So when you got these 4 cut out, we are going to put these together like this, right? So that these little ridges are sticking out. We're gonna put them like that, and we're gonna sew this outside layer together like that. All right, and I'm gonna get my machine ready, going like that, making sure that it's on there. All right, get these pretty even, and try and hold them best you can together. Get them nice and even as you can. All right. See how that came out. Chill. Not too bad. I mean, a little wavy, but you know, I never claimed to be a seamstress, man. You know, so. All right. So once you got it like that, then you're gonna flip it. So even if you're a horrible at sewing, like I am, you know, you're gonna flip it over, so it kind of looks kind of cool, right? It kind of looks like, damn. All right. So that's how you want it. And then we're gonna do the other one, and then we're gonna come back. So now we got these 2 parts, right? One of them is gonna be the outside of the mask, right? So you're gonna want it flipped out. So then the inside part of the mask, you want it nice and smooth like this. So you want to leave it like that, and then you're gonna just put it in here like this, match it up, and then we're gonna go all around here stitching this. All right, but before we do that, these little parts here are they're tough to sew once you got them in here like this. So you want to carefully go through all of these and just cut right by the stitching and take some of that out. You don't have to go all the way through, but you just want to make them a little bit smaller is all. Kenny Rogers, man, he kicked off today, I guess, and he's gonna be missed, you know. He's in a better place. All right, so we're just gonna go through all of these. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. You picked a fine time to leave me, Kenny Rogers. This part's a little difficult. But let's see here. Right. This side, see, I get a little mixed up too. Right. Shut that off. And so you want to match it up. You want to start somewhere, and you basically you're gonna stitch like about or rather an eighth of an inch off the edge. Okay, so you don't have to like stitch right close by it. So anyways, so it's a little tricky, but let me see. Let me show you how we're gonna do it. All right. I don't know what happened to my music here. Let's see if I can find something real quick. There we go. Play some more Kenny. Alright, here we go. So you want to start her off, and you know, you want to go all the way around. You know, don't worry about it if it ain't perfect. It don't have to be. It just gotta work. And it's gonna work. And it's a little fussy, but you know, you stop, you know, take your time. You know, have a little bit more Modelo. And then keep on chugging along. Oh hell, Dolly Parton. I think that's we'll come to the end. We're almost at the finish line. Alright, so once you get to the end here, you just wanna and stitch all the way up. I'm trying to show that to you, how it looks like. Alright. Alright, so we started over here. See? And I came in this way, and then I went all the way around, and then I stitched all the way out to here, cut that little piece, and now I'm going to cut this little piece. And so we got ourselves a mask. Now, what we got to do is we're gonna put the elastic on there, right? And this is gonna be tight, and it's gonna be uncomfortable. And you know what? It's supposed to be uncomfortable. You know, you're not going to a gala or a ball. You know, you're trying to protect yourself. So the tighter it is on your face, the better it is.